We'll guide you through how to use nearby sharing in Windows 11. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This is a great way of sharing files, so we'll guide you through this. On both computers, first of all, go and click on the Windows button at the bottom, which is Start, and open up Settings. You need to come over to the left and go and select System, and you need to go and scroll down and find Nearby Sharing and click there. What we need to do is go and turn it on for my devices only or everyone nearby. In this case, I'll do everyone nearby. Now that we've gone and turned it on, you need to come onto the computer that you're going to go and share the files from. Go and find the file and you can then go and right click on it and you can go and click on Share. You'll then go and get this pop-up here, and what you need to do is go into Share Using and select Nearby Sharing and go and click there. And then the device should go and appear here. Go and click on the device you want to go and share it with. They'll need to have gone and enabled nearby sharing, as I said earlier in the video, and you can then share it with them. If you found this useful, then leave a like for more. Thank you for watching.